This is the sash we're going to be personalizing today. We're doing this one. It's a Mother's Day sash. So I already cut my vinyl. As you can see, I'm personalizing one of the sashes. I just cut my vinyl and I'm weeding right now. I'm trying to weed it. And after that, we're gonna get it on. And you'll see how we do this. So as you can see, I've cut up all my pieces. I'm done weeding and I just cut them up. And now we're gonna line them. I'm gonna move to my heat press and we just line them up and iron them on the sash. So I'm not sure if my camera will be able to see when I'm ironing, but let me see if I can move it over there. If not, then I will just show you the finished product, but I'll try to see if I can get the camera over there when I'm lining it up or ironing it. I'm going to be unboxing my very first Cricut product. My very first Cricut machine. It's the Easy Press, a really small one. Easy Press Mini. I needed to get me one because there's some things I can't iron on my heat press because it's large. And sometimes you want to reach in some nooks and cradles and you can't get between it. So I had to get me one of these. Hopefully I'll be trying it out tonight.
Just trying to figure it out.